Hey y'all, it's Lori here at Beauty Where You Find It, and I am ready to do the May Boxycharm unboxing with you guys. I am super excited. I'm actually getting it done on time. That's right, we're all a little bit shocked. I have cut it, but I have not looked at it, inside of it, and I stopped following them on my makeup Instagram, which is what I'm on all the time, so I'm surprised by what I actually get. So, first impressions, let's dive in. Okay, I see 3 things on top. I got my card. The theme is Make Waves. Okay, the heat's coming. It's already hot in Florida. Anybody else dying already? So the first thing is this big thing, and this is Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I have never actually used anything from Glam Glow, but they got me with this packaging, that's for sure. It's a daily conditioning cleanser to gently, I'll show it to you guys while I read, to gently but effectively cleanse skin and remove face makeup and daily impurities. Oat amino acids condition the skin while gentle bubbles deeply cleanse and dissolve makeup. Let's see. Apple extract, vitamin E, green tea leaves. Okay. This is like so fun. Like, for real. Like, that is amazing. I'm gonna open it. So let's see. Ooh, the packaging is fun on the inside too. Yes, y'all. Yes. Let's see. It has a smell, but I can't tell what that smell is. And I can't open it to get a better smell, so let me just... It just smells kind of like, you know, it's a cleansing soap. That's all I can say. I mean, it's not bad. But y'all know I'm basic and I like that perfumey stuff. About that basic life, so it doesn't smell perfumey. All right, next is Cream Eyeshadow. It's Eye Luster. Oh, by Ciate London. I have never actually tried anything by Ciate London. So that's fun. And this is the color Cupid. Fun. Hopefully it's a color I can wear. I mean, it is pretty, but this is not an everyday look for your girl. I already turn heads with the lipsticks that I wear. Ooh, it is so pretty though, but I don't think that I could wear that to work and get away with it. But that is a fun color. I wish I was still old enough to be like going out and stuff, because yes, get it. All right, that's pretty. Next is Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Truffle. I actually have never tried Dose of Color. It is cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and vegan. Aw, it says new bestie on the inside, which is probably reversed because I'm using my phone still to record. But I'm super excited to see what the color Truffle looks like. I just don't want it to be too brown, so we'll see. It looks pinker in person. It looks more brown on this camera. I am definitely going to give this a try tomorrow, and I will post it on Instagram. I will show you guys what this looks like. Yay, so fun. Like, I don't already have a million liquid lipsticks, so there must be something. Yeah. Eek. I dropped something. Don't know what it is yet. So this is a color blush trio in Fair Light with the color Castaway, Parisio, and Scorcher from Alamar Cosmetics. We've actually gotten, I want to say last year we got an eyeshadow palette from them that I think I still have. Let's cut into this bad boy and just see what shades we got. Oh, great. It comes with a little mirror, too. I do like a mirror in a compact. So here are the shades. Does it a little bit remind you of the Chick-fil-A symbol? Like, maybe it's like this little top part right here. Just like a tiny bit. No, just me? Okay. These are very pretty summer shades. I'm going to fold that mirror back so I can show you guys. That is very pretty. I'm just going to, which finger should I use? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So not crazy intensely pigmented, but feels very smooth. Like that is a very nice feeling eyeshadow, or blush. It's a blush. I'm so sorry. I am definitely going to wear this as well. I'm trying a new blush because I'm trying a Milani blush right now for the first time. It's actually kind of gone away because it's the end of the day. Y'all know your girl films at the end of the day. But I am super excited for this. Sorry, I was distracted because my dog just ran up like something was wrong. Like, of course, there's probably like someone here to murder me. Let me get the thing that I dropped. I don't know what it is. And I'm back. All right, so it is an eye pencil in the color Emerald. I'm not actually mad at that because I'm tired of getting black ones, first of all. And I have green eyes, so maybe if I use a green pencil. Oh, that looks a lot more. Oh, that looks really blue, y'all. That looks not emerald green. That looks turquoise. It goes on smooth, but that looks turquoise Forito. Probably not going to make it to the lineup of things that I use. I would have used the green that looks like that. I can't use a turquoise blue. That's not my game. So that's it. That's the Boxycharm. Let's see. Let me try and do some fast math for you guys. So the Glam Glow Cleanser is $28. The Alamar Colorette Blush Trio is $22. The Ciate London Eye Luster is $22. Already? $22, but like, it's already like, that, I don't know. It's already like just still twisted when it's closed. Like, I thought Ciate London was supposed to be kind of a more affordable brand. I'm just throwing that out there. Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick, $18. It's kind of on point with other things. And then the Bodyography Eyeliner Pencil, $14. Let me tell you all what, you can find a NYX eyeliner pencil for cheaper that does a fantastic job and is not blue. So, I mean, oh, and this is version 1. Some people like to know that. This is version 1. So we got like 50, 70, 80, 90, at least $100 worth of stuff. I mean, I'm just doing quick math right there, for the subscription. So it's a yes, y'all. Like, I still am in love with Boxycharm. I love getting these things to try, that I will let you know how my first dose of color lipstick manages, if it handles the day, if it runs, if it fades, if it smears, because I like a liquid lip that I can put on in the morning and not worry about it all day long. And there are very few that can do that, but I'm positive. I'm hopeful for this one to be the one.